Hey, folks! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super useful to share with you all. Ever wanted to transcribe your YouTube videos into text? Well, you're in luck because I found this amazing free tool that does it lightning fast. But wait, there's more. Stick around as I take you through the whole process step by step. First off, head over to your YouTube channel and pick a video you want to transcribe. I'm choosing one where I talk about how Final Cut Pro makes vertical video creation a breeze. Grab the video's URL and let's head over to YouTube Transcript, this incredible tool I stumbled upon. Paste the URL in, and boom! It's done in a flash. Seriously, no speeding up the video, that's how quick it is. And check this out, it even bolds the text as it transcribes. And check this option. Auto scroll. Now that we've got our transcript, it's as easy as copy-pasting it into Google Docs. A little formatting tweak here and there, and you've got a neat, written version of your video. You can even repurpose it into a blog post or something else creative. But hold on, we're not done yet. Let's take it up a notch. I'm gonna use this cool summarizing tool from OpenAI. Go to ChatGPT. I ask it to summarize the transcript, and voila! In no time, it spits out a casual, conversational paragraph summarizing the video content. How awesome is that? And there you have it, folks. Transcribing your YouTube videos to text has never been easier or faster. Plus, it's all free. So what do you think? Pretty cool, huh? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep creating. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.